Welcome to part 3 of my series on building a chop saw table. In this section, I will be assembling and finishing off the top. Please enjoy and hit like and subscribe. Now I'm going to try a different kind of glue up than I've done before. Basically, this is going to be drawings here. Doing one set of edge panel and another set of edge panel, but I'm going to glue them all together at once with brad nails and see if it works, so I don't have to do the clamp up. Every time you use a nail gun, give it a few little drops of oil. Not too much. And if you're doing furniture grade stuff, you're going to have to shoot several nails out into something expendable first. Strap. I'm going to be using 18 gauge brad nails, 1 1/4 inch long from Bostitch. I'm wearing hearing protection, both because I don't like the impact noise of the gun and the air compressor kicking on. I always use this water separator. Compressor set at 90 psi. A's and B's. When I cut these, I did not run them through the router, so there's a ridge. There's a flat side from the outside of the board. I want the ridge down, okay, flat to flat. That one is good enough. On that one. You see the ridge a little bit. See it on that one pretty good. Have to trim that when I'm done, but I figured I would. Do a basic glue for, as though I was going to set up an edge with glue. Need to buy another bottle of glue for glue. Get this going. Just when you cut a little piece of PVC so I can leave this in nozzle down. Try this again. Ew. I need a new bottle. Edges, not too much. It's actually a little old, but it'll work for this because I bought it in, not sure exactly the date, but 2020. It's a little old. This is really bad glue. good glue, but the age is a problem. Good thing I decided to do this method of glue up instead of the normal. I would have to run to Lowe's and buy a new bottle. Converted. Hold it together a little bit to spread out the glue some. Up. Work. Get the rest of my A's. My A's are going to go the opposite. Screws are going to go on top. We'll be nailing it all together like that. I got 1 1/4 inch nails, and this is going to be pretty close to 3/4 thick. Excuse me, 1 1/2. All these over any orientation I want them. Okay, got enough glue on there now. Put those around a little bit to spread out the glue. Some ridges here. Got to go out a little later. I will stop by Lowe's and pick up another bottle of glue. This is a little ridiculous. I'm going to continue like that. There, got everything glued and held together by gravity. Little rag that's laying around. Prepare some of the squeeze out now. Make sure everything is still lined up the way I want it to be. Make sure nothing's really drifted out. Looks good. And all 4 corners first. Make sure I have at least 2 nails in every board section. Okay, cutting all those nails. Rub it up on the end. Did end up with a gap there, but it really won't matter at the bottom. Cut those off. Okay. One thing, the hissing you hear. angle blade height is set a little 1/4 inch above the board. I'm gonna put this edge on the fence because the A